Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play in a league in NBA Live Mobile. First, navigate to the Leagues tab from the main menu. This is your gateway to competitive team play. Once there, you can either search for a specific league by name if you have one in mind, or simply browse through the list of available leagues. Look for one that matches your skill level and activity preferences. After finding a suitable league, send a request to join. Once you're accepted into a league, the real fun begins. You'll primarily engage in daily league versus league tournaments, competing against other teams for bragging rights and rewards. Make sure to complete your daily objectives within the league, as these contribute to your team's overall progress and unlock valuable items. Effective communication with your teammates through the in-game chat is crucial for coordinating strategies and building team chemistry. To excel in league play, focus on continuously improving your team. Upgrade your player roster by acquiring higher-rated athletes through packs or the auction house. Developing strategic lineups is key. Understand your opponent's strengths and weaknesses to counter them effectively. Don't forget to practice regularly to enhance your individual skills, such as shooting, passing, and defense. A strong individual performance contributes significantly to your team's success in every match. Participating in leagues offers fantastic rewards, especially for winning championships. These exclusive items can significantly boost your team's power. Beyond the competition, leagues foster a great sense of community. Collaborate with your teammates, share tips, and celebrate victories together. It's a fantastic way to connect with other players. Also, if you're looking to enhance your home, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals in the description below. It's a perfect addition to any space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.